How to unblock blocked contact. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to unblock users on your Imo app easy and quick. So first thing, go to your Imo application. Once you are here, click on your profile icon up there and you're gonna find settings. Click on it. Now click on privacy, which is the option number 3, and now scroll down and you're gonna find blocked list. Click on it. Once you find this list, you're gonna find all the users you have ever blocked on your Imo app. All you need to do is choose the users you want to unblock, click on, select them, keep clicking on them and click on unblock, and this is how you can unblock users on your Imo app easy and quick. So if this video was helpful, don't forget to subscribe and like.